Good afternoon, learners. Our topic today is about stem and leaf data. We are given this data, these numbers 8, 32, 32, 34, 42, 44, 55, 68, 72, 80. Right. In putting these numbers onto cells, stem and leaf categories, you are just like putting the tens and the units according to your maths. Now we are going to tabulate these numbers onto these columns. Now the first one is 0.08. So 0 is on the stem side and the 8 on the leaf side. Now, because we don't have 1 and 2, so we only have those dashes or zeros instead. Now we are going to proceed to 3. So 3 under the tens, because we've got 32, 32, 34. So it's 3. It's 3. And then on the stem side, and then 2 on the leaf side, and then 3 is representing the same 32 and the 2 on the left side. Same 34, 3 on the stem side, and 4 on the left side. So this is the main stem which has got many leaves. All right, it's got about 3 leaves. Now we proceed to 4. So on the 4s, we've got 42, 44. Now we are going to write it like 4 on the stem side and then 2 on the left side. Because we've got 44 again, so it's going to be 4 on the same 4, representing the 40, and then the 4 on the left side. Then we've got 44, 55. We plot it as 5 on the stem side and the 5 on the leaf side. 68, 6 on the stem side and the 8 on the left side. 72, 7 on the stem side and the 2 on the left side. And then 80, the last one is 80. We plot it as 8 on the stem side and the 0 on the left side. Right. We have made some other examples on hundreds, because if you are given the same data but it's on the hundreds, you just need to do the same thing as you have done on the stem side and the leaf side. But now it's going to be like the hundreds and the tens according to your maths examples, which represents stem. And the units will still be on the left side. So if you are given those numbers, 110, 123, 125, 250, 378, you are going to plot them as hundreds and tens on the same side as stem. So it will be 11 of the 110. It's going to be 11 of the 110. And then the 0 will be on the unit side. That is your leaf. Then for 123, 12 will be on your 110s as stem. And the 3 on the unit side as leaf. And then for 125, because we've got two numbers in the same category, 123, 125. So it's going to be 12, again on the same 12 of 123, but the units will be 5, so which represents your leaf. All right, we proceed. 250. 250, it will be 25 on the hundreds and tens and the 0 on the left side. 378, it will be 37 on the stem side as hundreds and tens, and the 8 on the unit side as leaf. Right. Then we proceed on to how to analyze this data. How do we analyze this data? As we have said that the least number of 0 stem and 8 leaf is the least number of leaves with no stem. No stem. Right. And this is the least number of leaves. All right, we proceed. Then we said the most maximum stem and the leaf is 32, 32, 34. So it means these three stems carried the maximum leaves. How many are they? 1, 2, 3. So it carried 3 leaves. 3 stem with 3 leaves. So it is the maximum carrier of the leaves, of the most leaves. All right, then we proceed. Then we said 8, the last one. 8 and a 0 leaf, 8 stem, 0 leaf. We said this one is quite a number of stems, which is 8. But is carrying 0 leaves, because there are no leaves. No leaves. Right. That's how we analyze this data. Now we carry on to stipulating these sentences on this data analysis. We said the least number of leaves with no stem. That is the first one, which is this one, this 8. And then we said number 2, 3 stems carried maximum number of 4 leaves. 3 stems carried quite a number of leaves. 1, 2, 3. So it's got maximum of 3 leaves. Now we said number 3, when we analyzed the last one, the last 8, we said this one has got quite a number of leaves. Quite a number of stems, I'm sorry, because this 8 represents the stems. So it has got quite a number of stems with 0 leaves, with no leaves, carrying no leaves. That's it. All right, and as we proceed to our next topic on the range, we say the range, you get your range by subtracting the smallest number from the biggest number of your data. You get your range by subtracting the smallest number from the biggest number of your data. An example is given here with these numbers: 31, 32, 40, 40, 40, 53, 68. So the smallest number is 31, and then the biggest one is 68. So if you subtract from the 68, you subtract 31. 68 is bigger than 31. So you minus that 31 from 61, the balance will be 37. So 37 is our range. That is the difference between the big and small. If you minus the small one from the big one, you get a range. Then we proceed to the mode. What did we say the mode is? The mode is the common number which appears most on the data. It is the common number which appears most on the data. Here's our data: 31, 32, 40, 40, 40, 53, 68. Right. Now, 31 appears once, 32 once, 40, 40, 40. So 40 appears 3 times. So this 40 is the common number which appears most on the data. Then comes 53 appearing once, 68 once. So 40 is our mode. Right. Let's proceed to our median. Median. How do we get median? You arrange your data in numerical order from small to big numbers. Ne? That's how you get your median. Median is the medium or the middle number. All right. Then you arrange your numbers, your data in numerical order from small to big numbers. Right, there they are. We have arranged them from small to big. Right. 31, 32, 40, 40, 40, 53, 68. And then the second step is to make sure that you cancel each other. Small number with a big one. So we cancel 31 with 68. And then we cancel 32 with 53. Then we cancel 40 with another 40. Then we are left with 40, which is in the middle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 40 is in the middle. So it means this is our median. 40 is our median. All right. Can we proceed to check or to know when the median is odd? When the median is odd, it means there is an extra number. What you do, you add both medians. You add them together, and then you divide by their number. How many they are? They are 2. So you divide by 2. Then you will get your median. All right, here's an example here. 31, 32, 40, 40, 40, 53, 68, 74. All right, 31 will cancel with 74. 32 will cancel with 68. 40 will cancel with 53. Another 40 plus another 40. So it means we are left with two 40s, which are our medians. That is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're left with the two 40s. So what we do, we add them together. 40 plus 40, it gives us 80. Then we divide that 80 by 2 to give us 40. So it means our median is 40. So you do that when your median number is odd or is having an extra number. So you add them together, you divide by the number of themselves, which they are 2 in this case. So you divide by 2 to get the median. That's all on my side. Enjoy your revision, learners, as you are preparing to write on the 7th. See you next time. Bye.